LiveItLikeLisa here, and in today's video we will be making a heap of kind of like well, not necessarily candlesticks, but I just like to use them as, you know, risers and stands and whatever you really want to use them for. So I've got a heap of these wooden blocks, and I think you use them for like stair railings. I picked them up years and years ago with the intention of making some candlesticks, and the time is now because I haven't done it, and I really need a little bit of a riser for my lanterns. These little lanterns I made last year. Well, I didn't make the lantern, it was a silver glitter lantern, and I just gave it a bit of a makeover. And I normally display these next to my TV in the kitchen, but I want to rise them up a little bit. So I want to sort of make like a little stand like that they can sit on. And then I can also use that stand for other purposes throughout the year as well. And we're going to try and make them as easily as possible. When I say that, I mean no power tools, no drills, no nothing. I'm going to sort these out. I've got a few that are like rounded ones, and I've got a couple that are sort of a more square style. So what I think when I bought them, I had the intention of using these squarer looking ones with the square stands, and then using these rounder ones with the round bottoms, if that makes any sense. All right, so I've got my pairs of candlesticks. What we're going to do now is I'm just going to use some regular PVA wood glue, and we're just going to glue all the elements together. So I've just got like a little Kaisercraft coaster sitting on top of those ones, the wood thing, the stick, spindle and base. So I'm going to glue them all together. Alright, so it's the next day and they're all stuck together nicely. They feel quite secure as well. I mean, I'm not going to bash them or anything, but yeah, I think for the purpose I'm using them for, I think the glue should be more than enough. So my plan is to paint these two black, because I mean, I can always use them year round anyway, but I want them to go with my little Christmas lanterns. I'm going to paint these two. I've got a nice blue colour. I'll show you the colours that I've got, because in general I have blue accents throughout my main living area as well. So I'd like a blue pair, and then I'm also going to do a pair in green, because I don't have a lot of different colours and I just like the sort of blues and green farmhousey kind of colours. So we have this very pretty sage green colour, very farmhousey looking. I thought I'd do that with one of them. We have, and I'll probably distress them as well, as always. I have this very nice denim sort of blue colour that I want to do a set. And then I've just got my regular black, which I've painted quite a few things in now, and it's just a nice, very dark black. So we'll start with the black ones. Well, there you go, guys. 3 sets of nice new from old candlesticks. I just thought I'd show you a few different techniques on how you can decorate them. So we did just a plain black paint job on this one with some distressing. We did plain blue with a white dry brush over the top. And then with these ones, we did them that really nice farmhouse green with some brown and black dry brushing over the top as well. So I'm really pleased with the way these have turned out. So I haven't quite got my Christmas decor sorted all yet, but these will be going here, and we'll sit my little lantern on top, and there's one on the other side too. And I think, yeah, I've still got to put my garland along there, but I think they're gonna look really fancy. I really like them. So that is the first set. And here are the blue ones displayed. I'm really happy with the way they've turned out. Just subtle blue, but just to accent, even goes nice with my blue rug. And here are the other ones, just as a quick display, just to show you how you can set them up or style them. Like I said, I'm still decorating for Christmas at this time, so they'll probably go away for now. Or maybe I'll keep the green ones out with it being Christmas. So yeah, maybe look out for those in my Christmas display as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.